Friends, hello everyone and welcome to this channel. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can very easily delete one of the photos in an Instagram post. Please subscribe to our channel, write your comments after watching this video, and also don't forget to put your likes. So, let's get down to our topic. And let's say if you put up a post on Instagram that has multiple photos like I have. Let's say I have 4 pictures. And let's say you would like to delete one of them without deleting the post completely. It's very easy and possible to do this. So, first of all, open up Instagram, go to your profile, and find a post with multiple photos. Next, click on it. Next, above the post you will find 3 dots, click on them. Next, edit. And now select the photo that you would like to delete. Once you find it, right here in the left corner of the photo you'll see a trash can icon. You click on it. And then delete. After that, the photo will be deleted. And in order to save this result, click on Done or Save. And now, if I reopen the post, as you can see, there are already 3 photos here, although before there were 4. So that's the very simple way, friends, you can delete one of the multiple photos in a post in the Instagram app. I really hope this video was helpful for you friends. Please write your comments, put your likes, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you all again.